Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from Group 1, want to present for subject surface and aesthetic of machine component. For the surface finish, we make the electropolishing for aluminium. I'm Anwar bin Ismail, and my teammate is Wanado Hafiz and Eric Korobi. Okay, for the introduction, in CNC machining, surface roughness will affect how the produced part will interact with the surrounding environment. A typical CNC machine finish as machine is smooth to the touch with RA 3.2 micron, but will contain visible machine line from the cutting tool. Surface roughness is solved first by designer and industry. Important detail that must maintain consistency in order to produce reliable product that interact properly with the environment. Some surface roughness may also be desired to assist with coating and paint adhesion or improve conductivity. RA value typically measure different level of surface roughness. Surface roughness chart can show different type of surface finish with a roughness value ranging from 12.5 micron, that is very rough, to 0.4 micron, that was very smooth. Surface finish for our product. First, machining process. Leaving the product with a machine finish will ensure the tightest dimension tolerance up to plus minus 0.05 mm or better. Computer aided manufacturing can allow accurate data paths and machine process that match the original design. There is usually no additional cost for standard finish. Number two, the suitable surface finish for our product is electropolishing process. Ethylene was prepared by mixing choline chloride and ethylene glycol in a molar ratio of component of 1 ratio 2. The liquid mixture was kept at 70 degrees Celsius for 1 hour until complete homogenization. Ethylene was stored in an airtight dish in the dissector to protect the pathetic mixture from prolonged contact with air. Aluminum was used as a work electrode, graphite rod was served as an auxiliary electrode, and silver wire was used as pseudo-reference electrode. The anode treatment of aluminum sample was carried out in potentiostatic mode using the same electrochemical cell and potentiostat. For measurement result, I will pass to Eric Korovin.
Hello everyone, I am Eric Gorovin Anamatno and I will continue present for this slide. Measurement results have been made in this project as a result of the CAD and CAM that have been made. The project for project 1 has been successfully produced and measurement readings have been taken on each part, especially on important parts that have been tolerant, size limits, and mole connections, but there are parts that do not reach the specifications that have been set as shown in the next page. For the top part, status part for number 5, 6, 7, 9, 10, 11, and 12 are not okay. This problem occurs because of factors on the cutting tool's point. The tip of the tool is broken and there is no replacement for a new stock. On the bottom part also have some problem, especially on number 10, which is for RA. This is because the feed rate and cutting speed are not suitable for cutting operation. This is so because during the final process for surface finishing, fast cutting speeds and low feed rates should be used to achieve the desired surface.
And now this is a result. The first one is the effect of surface leveling after electropolishing of AI in DES is reflected in the measured values of roughness coefficients. Second, the work report the value of RA in the range of CA 0.5 minus 1.2 after electropolishing of aluminium in concentrated mixture of phosphoric acid, sulfuric acid and chromic acid in distilled water. Third one, eventually these values are comparable with those obtained in our work uh, 0.5 until 0.9 Now the roughness coefficients decrease with the increasing electrode potential, indicating that the surface of aluminium samples is getting smoother after electropolishing, and this effect is especially pronounced at E minus 2 volt. And last one, an increase in surface leveling become weakly pronounced at E minus 4, although a close examination thus reveals that the surface is smoother at 6 volt than 8 than 4 volt. And now is summary and distributions of articles reference. Number one, referring to the article that has been used as a reference, electropolishing is an excellent preparation of metal for electroplating. This is kind of metal surface treatment before analyzing process or other kind of process. Number two is electropolishing. It's a process of producing a polished and bright limit on the surface of metal. Number three, in the process, the metal part or the device to be coated with a layer of suitable metal is immersed as the anode in solution having such a composition that when the metal is made, the anode. Number four, an anomalous change in current strength is just to give a current density previously determined by observation, which is characteristic for the given metal and the given solution, at which they occur the transformation of the matte surface into the bright polished one. And lastly, in addition, to provide a chemically and physically clean surface, electropolishing remove mechanically and surface damage. And that's all for me. Thank you very much.